So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a seven-figure business online from scratch without having to create anything. You don't have to create any products. You don't have to create a website. You don't have to create a sales funnel. Everything is already created for you. All you got to do is get started, set up your business, plug into our community for training and support, and basically you just follow this 2-hour workday, which means you're just basically posting, content on social media. You're posting videos, you can go live, you can copy and paste free ads. That's pretty much what we do. Okay, so but before I show you how to do this, first let's talk about basically there's two ways to make money. So the first way to make money is by being an employee, which means you have a job, which means you're working for other people. You're building other people's businesses, you're building other people's dreams, you're exchanging your time for money, and most people are overworked and underpaid. Okay. So the second way to make money is to be an entrepreneur like myself, which means you're building a business or multiple businesses, you're building multiple streams of income, and then your business is automated so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. You can work whenever you want to work, set your own schedule, you're in control of your own time, and you're in control of your own income and you don't have to answer to a boss. So it's obviously better to be an entrepreneur, but I'm not saying like you have to do everything overnight. You can still work your job while you're building your business from scratch. Okay. So long story short, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk for 10 years, and now I help everyday people hit 6 or 7 figures online without having to work a job. I was just sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. My company cut my pay in half, which is why I went online to figure out how to make money, and that's when I discovered this blueprint. Okay, so I'm going to break it down very clearly, and then I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what this business looks like and what you need to do to scale this business, or basically any business, because these principles can be applied to any business pretty much. So business 101, every single business on the planet, they make money by selling products, opportunities, or services. Okay. So you need a product and you need a product that's in high demand, something that people are buying, something that people are searching for. Like Apple phones, for example, these are very high demand products. People buy these all the time. It's one of the biggest companies in the world. Okay, that's an example of high demand products that people are selling. Okay. And you want to earn 100% profit. Okay, that's step number one. And the next step, this like I said, this applies for any business. Okay. Step number two, especially when you have an online business, and most businesses are online these days, you want to automate your business. This is like automation, right? Like think of Amazon. You go to Amazon, you buy something, and then they deliver it to you. It's all automated, right? So basically, someone goes to your link, you're building your email list. Okay. You want to build your email list because the money's in the list. Like before you create an account for Amazon and many other places, you have to put your email in first because then once you put your email in, that means you're giving them your email. So they're building their email list and they're sending out offers all the time, right? So people go here to your capture page, okay? And then they go through your automations, they watch videos. The videos are doing the selling for you. So although you're selling things, you're not doing the selling. And there's also there's emails that are being sent out on autopilot. It's all automated, sending people back to your sales page. Okay. And then step number three, you just need a way for people to discover your business, right? So there's basically four ways to do that. You can do paid advertising, you can do free strategies like posting content on social media, copying and pasting free ads. You can do warm outreach. That means you reach out to your friends, your family, people that you know. You can do cold outreach. That's when you reach out to people you don't know, like cold messaging, email, like cold emails, knocking at people's doors, cold calls, stuff like that. Okay. So that's basically what you got to do. You got to create content or you got to do one of these things to send traffic to your link. Okay. Now with this business, this is like a done for you all-in-one business in a box. So we give you four different digital products. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. You get to keep 100% of the profit. And it's digital, which means you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory. And there's also zero monthly expenses with this business. Most other businesses, like you only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. We earn 100% profit because this is high ticket marketing with master resale rights. So not only do we earn 100% profit, but our most popular product sells for 900. So you get to earn more of like high ticket commissions. Okay. So that's the big difference. This is why this business opportunity, in my opinion, is better than most of the business opportunities out there because we earn 100% profit and there's zero monthly fees. We have a community, we have training, we have support, we have a step-by-step blueprint that you can follow, and we have a structure to our workday, right? So we give you a pre-built automated system. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So everything's already pre-built for you. Okay, this is how you can grow your business to 6 or 7 figures from scratch without having to create anything. Okay. And yeah, so we give you this pre-built system, and then we have the 2 hour workday. So basically, what we do, we post content every day on social media. You start off with creating at least 3 pieces of content a day. Then you can also go live. Okay. You can also post free ads and then go through training, right? So by creating content going live, what you're doing is you're driving traffic. You're sending people to your link, you're building your email list, and once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. This is how you build your business to 6 or 7 figures, basically just by building this email list. Okay. So if you have any more questions about this business and how it works, and if you want to learn more, just go down, like go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Okay, I'm going to send you a free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. And if you see an opportunity, just get started with the business. If you have any questions, you can reply to my emails and you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay, now I'm just going to share my screen. I'm going to show you more about like how this business works, what it looks like, and all the fun stuff. Okay. So this is inside of my system, but basically, like I said, this is an all-in-one business in a box. So you don't have to create a thing. And then your business is going to look something like this. Okay. This is the sales funnel that we use. It's already pre-built. You're going to have your own sales funnel. It's going to look something like this. There's like different varieties, but this is called a capture page. Okay. So what happens is people are going here. Once they go to your link, they're going to put their email in. So you're building your email list, right? And then it takes them through the sales funnel that you don't have to create. Everything's created for you. Okay. So the sales funnel, they're going to watch a video. There's testimonials on this page. Okay. So the video's doing the selling for you. The video is answering people's questions for you. Okay. And then there's another video that we send out to people's emails. Again, it's doing the selling for you. It's answering people's questions for you. So these two videos are answering like 99% of people's questions. If they have more questions, they can always just email you. Like you don't have to call people. You don't have to DM people. We only communicate through our emails. Like I only will communicate with people through emails. If they ask me to get on a call, I'll be like, no, sorry, only through emails. If they have a problem with that, no problem. Okay. So then it's going to take them here. This is your sales page, your website. Okay. So these are the products that we promote. These are digital products in the e-learning industry. So it's education, information, training. The e-learning industry is like $1 billion a day industry. Is projected to be like a $3 billion a day industry pretty soon, like 2027, I think. So this is what your sales page looks like or your website. Like I said, you don't have to create a thing. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months with this sales funnel. Okay. Well, we edited it recently. We upgraded it to Legacy 2.0. So little upgrades, but basically we made $29 million in 10 months selling these digital products. Okay. That's how we made $29 million paid out to the community. I'll show you the community in a second. And then what's cool about this business, not only do we earn 100% profit, okay, there's no monthly fees, but you also get certified. You go through this little training. It takes like 2 hours, and you become a certified reseller of the program. So you become certified. That gives you authority. Plus, you learn the do's and the don'ts about digital marketing and how to sell things online, basically. Okay. Then we get all these different success stories. Your website's going to look like this. You just got to put your picture in. We show you how to set everything up. You put your picture in, you attach your payment gateways. You see like there's payment buttons everywhere. Okay, so people can go and check out at any time and they can purchase a product from you. And every time they purchase, you get paid instantly 100% profit. So when it comes to setting up the system, you just got to basically connect your payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, Square to your website, and then you're ready to go. Okay. I'm just showing you what the website looks like real quick. Okay, and there's also payment plans available for you or your customers. So anybody can, it's never been easier to start a business. And you can scale this business to, 6 or 7 figures. We've created 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community so far. One person's made around between $4 to $5 million with this business. Okay. So you can definitely scale this business to 6 or 7 figures. Plus, you're going to learn how to build multiple streams of income. We teach you how to build multiple streams of income inside of your email list and on your social media pages as well, like affiliate marketing stuff, creating your own offers, all that kind of stuff. Then you get all these bonuses. So that's basically what the sales funnel looks like. Okay. I'm just showing you a quick walkthrough. You can go to sevenfiguremonk.com and you can check it out. And once you go to sevenfiguremonk.com, for example, you're going to go to my like capture page. You can just see how everything works. So here's the whole sales funnel. Okay. This is how you make money in your sleep because people can go here at any time and look at, you can track everything. See, this is inside of the system. You can track everything, like all your leads, everything you can track here. Okay. And and I also go to I have a Google spreadsheet. Okay. So basically I track how many leads I get and how many sales I get every day. Okay. I just started doing this recently. So this is making me like a pro now. Now I'm like becoming a pro because you can track everything. right? So it's not a guessing game. You can see how many leads are you getting? How many sales are you getting? Where are your leads coming from? Like everything can be tracked, okay? And then we also give you these emails to get, so you have a system right here. This is where you do your business inside of this little system. This is where all your emails are. This is where your sales funnels are, right? All that stuff. So you have your own emails. Okay, we give you 30 emails to start. Then we teach you how to create your own emails, like using ChatGPT and stuff. We teach you how to use ChatGPT to help you build your business as well. So look, you get all these different emails and you can track all the stats. You can see how many people are opening your emails, what is the click rate. So you're gonna have these done for you emails, okay, that you can set up. Like you can set up this whole system in like a day, 1 to 2 days. You have all these emails, you just put your links in here, you put your name in here, and then it's customized to you. Okay. So it's an all-in-one business in a box, and you can start this at zero, and you have the potential to scale this to 6 or 7 figures because our top selling product sells for 900 bucks, right? Now, if you get 111 sales, that's $100,000. That's just 111 sales. There's like 5 billion people a day on social media. You get 1,111 sales and you've made $1 million. So now you know the numbers. Now you just got to go get those sales, right? So the faster you start, the faster you can get those sales, right? Just go to sevenfiguremonk.com and learn more. I'm going to send you the free PDF. Okay. Now let's go to the community. I'll show you inside of the community what's going on there. Okay. So as a free bonus, when you join this business, you get access to our community for free. So one of the first things you want to do, you just go here, you introduce yourself, right? Just go there, introduce yourself. If you have questions, you can type it in. Okay. And then let's go to the wins. So this is showing you the daily wins that people are having. Now check it out. Look at $300 for John while out on a photo shoot. Just proof of what is capable with legacy. Okay. So he made $300 while he was doing other things because our business is automated. Because these pages are always working for us. That's why. That's how that's possible. Okay. That's the reason. Yeah, let me go back here. Okay. So people post all kinds of wins. They can post whatever they want to post. And then everyone comments, everyone like encourages them. Okay. Because she posted, I got over 1,000 views on a short, and everyone's like, congratulations. Everyone's going to support you. It's a positive place. Look at Sadie. She made $1,200 in a day, guys. That's two sales, one 900, one 300. Ran a promo and ended up being a $1,200 day. Super excited and love this freedom machine, helping so many mamas. Yeah, everyone has a perfect customer. Like I like to help everyday people hit 7 figures online without working a job. I like to help people that are just, sick of being overworked and underpaid, sick of working for other people. That's the kind of people I like to help. But sometimes people, like we teach you how to figure out who's your perfect customer and then how to create content geared towards that perfect customer. Wendy made $2,600 while playing with her grandkids in one day. One day. What a powerful system we have here and a true blessing to help others at the same time. Okay, $900 for Sabrina, one sale. Okay, another beautiful soul. I get to help create a free and fulfilling life with this amazing online business, right? Business in a box. Okay, and inside of the community, we have more trainings that you can go through, mindset training, social media training, all kinds of stuff. We have live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. So this shows you when that's happening inside of the calendar. Okay, and yeah, that's the business, right? So that's the business, right? It's an all-in-one business in a box. It is super beginner friendly. Okay. So if you're sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, if you want to learn how to make money online with a proven system that you can scale from 0 to 6 or 7 figures, it just depends on you, on like what you want and like how committed you are. You just got to be coachable and you got to be consistent. That's all. So, yeah, make sure you like this video. Share this video if you know someone who's looking for ways to make money online. Just share this video with them and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want. I'm just going to keep sharing, tips and tricks about, marketing, digital marketing, how this business works, how to build multiple streams of income, mindset, all that stuff. Okay. So yeah, just, ask yourself if you're like the only thing stopping you from being successful and making money online is you. You got to get out of your own way. Just take action. Don't sit on the fence. If you're sitting on the fence, just take action. Okay, move forward. Get started. Ugly, sloppy, messy, scared. Because the sooner you get started, the sooner you'll be successful and the sooner you're going to make money. Every single day that you don't learn how to make money online, you are costing yourself money. It's a fact. Okay, it's a really simple business. You set it up, you plug into the community, you use your phone. You're basically, most of the time, you're just copying and pasting, creating little videos with your phone, and we show you how to do everything. step by step inside of the community and inside of the program. Okay, so just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. I'm going to send you a free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's going to show you how to make 10K or more in 30 days. Just check it out. There's 2 videos you can watch. Once you're inside of the automations, just understand the same automations that I'm using are the same automations that you're going to use. Only it's going to be more tailored to you. It's going to be focused on you, and because my automations are focused on me, it's my brand. Okay. So yeah, if you have any questions, just reply to my emails and you can get started whenever you want. And you can also unsubscribe at any time. Okay. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Have a great day. See you on the next one.